Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. Okay, in this video we are going to see problems on permutations part 1. Here we are going to see how to solve the problem, that is how many different numbers can be formed by using any 3 out of 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no digit being repeated in any number. This is the first part of our question. We have 2 more parts in our question. So that is the second part of our question is how many of these will begin with a specified digit? How many of these will begin with a specified digit and end with a specified digit? Okay, so let us answer the questions. Let us answer the parts of the questions one by one. First, let us consider the first part of the question. So that is how many different numbers can be formed by using any 3 out of the 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no digit being repeated in any number. So it's very clear we are going to form a 3-digit number because we are going to use the 3 out of the given 5 digits. Since we are going to use only 3 digits, it's very clear we are going to form a 3-digit number. But we have 5 options, that is we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to form a 3-digit number. Okay, since we are going to form a 3-digit number by using the given 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm just going to create 3 places. So place 1, that is hundreds place, place 2, that is tens place, place 3, that is units place. Okay, so now I'm going to fill up the first place, that is 100 place. So for 100 place I can place any number, any of the given 5 digits, that is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So the first place has 5 options. So that is I can fill up any of the given digits, any of the given 5 digits. So the first place has 5 options. So I write 5 here. Even though we have 5 options for the first place, we are going to fix only 1. So we'll have 4 digits remaining for the second option. So the second option, the second place has 4 options because already 1 digit has been fixed at the first place. So we'll have 4 numbers remaining for the second place. So I write 4 here. Even though we have 4 options for the second place, we are going to fill only 1. So we'll have only 3 numbers remaining for the third place. So third place has 3 options. I hope now the students will be able to understand why I write 5, 4, 3, because for the first place I can use any of the given 5 digits. So the first place is having 5 options. That's why I write 5 here. Even though we have 5 options for the first place, we are going to fix only 1 digit at the first place. So we'll have only 4 numbers, 4 digits remaining for the second place. So I write 4 here. So the same thing, even though we have 4 options for the second place, I'm just going to fill up by only 1 digit. So we'll have 3 numbers remaining for the third place. So the third place has 3 options. So I write 3 here. So to get result for this one, I just have to multiply these 3 numbers, 5 times 4 times 3. So 5 times 4 will be 20 and 20 times 3 will be 60. So for example, to have a better understanding of this particular problem, we can consider that I am going to fill up the first portion by the digit 3. So now I have filled up the first portion with the digit 3. So for the second portion, again the same digit cannot be considered. So because already 3 has been fixed at the first portion, so for the second portion we'll have only 4 options, that is 1 or 2, 4 or 5. So that is why we write 4 here. Even though we have 4 options for the second portion, we are going to fill up with only 1 digit. So let us consider that I am going to fix the digit 5 at the second place. So 3 and 5, these 2 digits have been fixed at the first and second place. Again the 2 digits cannot be considered for the third place. For the third place we can consider the remaining 3 digits 1, 2, 4. So we have 3 options for the third place. So I write 3 here. So when we do this kind of problems like this, no digit will be repeated in any of these 60 numbers. So to get result for this one, we just have to multiply the numbers 5 times 4 times 3. So we are getting the result 60. So I hope now the students will be able to understand clearly. So how to get result for this kind of questions on permutations. Okay students, now let us consider the second part of the question. Okay, the second part of the question is how many of these will begin with a specified digit? So in our question, it has been clearly mentioned that we have to start with a specified digit. Since we are going to start the 3-digit number with a specified digit, the first place already been filled, so we don't have to consider the first place anymore, because the number has to start with a specified digit, any digit, so that is specified digit. So we don't have to consider the first part anymore, so we just have to consider the second place and third place. So since the first place has been filled with the specified digit, that means one of these 5 digits has been fixed at the first place. So we have only 4 letters remaining. So the second place has 4 options. So I write 4 here. Even though we have 4 options for the second place, only one number will be fixed. So we'll have 3 digits remaining for the third place. I write 3 here. So to get answer for this one, we just have to multiply these two numbers. So we'll be getting 12 as a result. So we'll be getting 12 different numbers if the 3-digit number starts with a specified digit. So the result is 12. Okay students, now we can move to the third part of our question. Okay, in the third part of the question, how many of these will begin with a specified digit, end with a specified digit? So that means we are going to start with a specified digit and also end with a specified digit. So the first and last place, the 2 places are already filled up with 2 digits out of the given 5 digits. I hope now the students will be able to understand why I am not going to fix any digit at the first and third place, because the first place has to be filled and last place also has to be filled, because with the specified digits. So the first and last digit, the 3-digit number must start with a specified digit and end with a specified digit. So the 2 places have already been filled up with the 2 digits given 5 digits. So I have to fill only the middle place, that is second place. So do remember, out of these given 5 digits, 2 digits have already been taken for the first and third places. So we'll have only 3 digits remaining for the second place. So I write 3 here. And here we don't have to multiply, because we have only one number. So the result is going to be 3. So that is, for example, let us consider we just start with a specified digit. That specified digit is 1 and end with a specified digit, that is 5. So we start with a specified digit. I just assume the specified digit is 1 and we end with a specified digit. I assume that specified digit is 5. So 1 and 5 have already been fixed at the first and third place. We just have to fill the middle part, that is second part. So for the second part we have 3 options, that is 2, 3, 4. So I can fill 2. I'll be getting a 3-digit number 1 to 5. Okay, the first place and third place have already been filled up with 1 and 5. This at the second place I may fill 3. Or I may fill 4 the second place. So in this way we are getting 3 different 3-digit numbers, 125, 135, 145. So if the number starts with a specified digit and ends with a specified digit. I hope now the students will be able to understand clearly how to solve this one. Okay students, for more videos like this, so please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.